Starting out in Yuma, the teams go through what we like to call safety tech, which is a range of inspections that ensure that the vehicle is safe to perform dynamic events.
Right now, we're working on getting through safety and technical inspection. Found out we were a little bit overweight. We're trying to lose 20 kilograms to get through that.
After passing safety tech, the teams then go into a range of dynamic events.
Being the first team to run these events is awesome. We're just now starting to go over our results. We're very happy with everything we're seeing.
It's an exciting opportunity to test our car to see how we can compete against other schools.
EcoCar is very valuable to the student experience, getting to work with amazing people towards a real technical project that is one of a kind at our university.
This is the third competition I've attended, so it's interesting being back in Yuma and kind of noticing how much I've grown as an engineer for the past 2 years.
There's 4 years of work that's been put into that, and that was always really neat to see the successes, see your team come together, and really validate the hard work that you put in the whole year.
Definitely, never give up. We were facing a lot of difficulties. We didn't give up and we kept on going, and that has paid off.
The Emissions and Energy Consumption event tests the vehicles on energy efficiency and emissions, and it allows the students to prove their vehicles improve upon the stock vehicle.
Being in this environment, this very innovative environment, I'm sure that many of them will be employed in the auto industry in the near future doing what they do best.
Here's your trophy here. Second day they were here, they kind of break their ECM.
Over the last 14 years, Henning has basically done it all.
EcoCar is an amazing platform for students. It prepares them in incredible ways for the professional life.
We're in Fontana, California at Auto Club Speedway for year 4 of the EcoCar 3 competition.
We'll be doing the consumer appeal event, acceleration. We also have awards in workmanship and appearance. It's really a fantastic opportunity for the teams to show off their vehicles to our sponsors.
Today, I've spent the entire day out here talking to students, listening to their presentations, driving the cars that they've worked on. You see the love and the passion they've all put into it.
It's so much fun to be able to experience how they ride, how they handle, how they accelerate, how they decelerate, and just get the total experience of these vehicles.
They get to showcase their talents. I mean, this is the generation that is going to be in charge of propulsion in the future. And who knows, some of the technologies here may actually end up in production for us.
I think it's great for people that are interested in engineering, being part of a community and a team to build something great. It'll really pay dividends when they head into the workforce.
A lot of unique approaches to doing kind of the same problem, so it's been a really interesting experience.
And to be able to get out and drive their product, it was just really awesome. The students improving year over year, outstanding refinement. They took lessons that they learned from prior years in this competition, improved on that, and I got to tell you, some of these cars were just really incredible.
We just want to give a big round of thank yous to our sponsors who really helped us get here today. Starting with the U.S. Department of Energy and General Motors, and they're joined by 30 other government and industry sponsors, including leaders such as Bosch and NXP and Denso and the MathWorks, as well as government leaders such as the California Air Resources Board and National Science Foundation. They really form a collaborative network that is really central to our program's success.
Well, the sponsor social is great. It's all the sponsors coming out, recruiting heavily, and there's not really a better opportunity for an engineering graduate to go out and get a job.
Well, we just completed the vehicle design review with a panel of amazing judges. We presented what we've been doing over the past 4 years with our Camaro, and we walked them through what our architecture was, all the adjustments we made in year 4, and how we stacked up to what we thought we were going to be able to complete.
Today was a really exciting event for both the organizers and the students. 4 years of hard work by the teams resulted in them being able to drive on-road and successfully complete a 170-mile trip.
It's fun, best way to describe it. What I find gratifying is to see the students grow each year.
Over 25,000 students across 93 institutions have participated in the DOE's Advanced Vehicle Technology competitions. These leaders and the people coming out of these programs are really helping to be the innovators and the leaders in sustainable transportation for our future.
Teams, no matter how they do in the final competition, the amount of knowledge that they gain is tremendous. I was actually on a team many years back. We tended to be in the bottom half. But the outcomes from that, from an educational perspective, were just the same as the teams that were on the top. It's really about overcoming challenges, and all the teams here have overcome so many challenges to just get a car here, just because of the complexity. So it's really a fantastic opportunity.